So we are going to start with Bond of Love, right? Bond of Love by Kenneth Anderson. This is Kenneth Anderson, who was born on December 25, 1891 in Chennai. That time, India was British India because we were enslaved by Britishers. So that was somewhere in the late 19th century. He was born. He died on April 29, 1959 in Gibraltar, UK. He died of pneumonia. In Gibraltar, UK, in 1959, India had become free. And then he had to change his base. So he had moved to England because he was a Britisher. As long as he was there in India, he was in British Army of India. And Kenneth Anderson, he is also known as a hunter. He had been fond of hunting, so he had studied the wildlife very carefully. But here, the story, the bond of love that you are going to read, it's not the story of his hunting experience. It's entirely a different kind of story. It's the story of love and affection between humans and animals. Do you think that there is a feeling of love and affection between humans and animals?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you know that?
Ma'am, the dog, between the dog and the humans.
Yes, we keep dogs as the pets. We keep horses as the pets, the goat as the pet, the kittens as the pet. In fact, we keep some birds also as the pets, right? But
Yes.
they are not wild animals. Here, the story you are going to read about, the bond of love. This is the bond of love between the humans and wild animals. Have you ever seen, have you ever heard that there is love between humans and wild animals also?
No.
No, but it is there. I tell you, if though I have that link, but still, if you search on YouTube, that is the tiger temples of Bangkok or tiger temples of Thailand. You will find there is the temple where so many, more than 100 tigers have been kept. And these tigers are so friendly and more that the visitors, they go to the temple and then they meet the tigers and the tigers never say anything. Even if a stranger comes, the dog also barks. But the
Yes.
tigers, they do not say anything. They would allow you to pat them, to pamper them, to play with them. They are so playful. The tourists, the visitors, they go there. The Buddhist monks are around. The people go there. The people take photographs with them. They never say anything to the humans. They are so friendly, right? And here I have come across one such video where a man in a man in south of India, how he is keeping these wild animals. Let me show you. You will find that how there is love and affection between humans and animals, right? Yes. Here I'll show you. Look at this. Can you see?
Yes. Ma'am, is this owl?
Yes. This is porcupine, deer, peacocks. Yeah. Finance. Oh my God.
And this is what?
Yes, this was this man. He has set up an orphanage for those wild animals whose parents they are killed by the hunters. Then he brings their young ones to his orphanage, and he, with his love and affection, he takes care of them. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And you see that how they are not harming him. They are not harmful. They are so friendly. I just told you about Thai temple. Here
Yes.
it is, that Thai temple. Look at this tiger temple. This is how they are kept. These Buddhist monks are looking after them.
Okay, ma'am.
You see that they have erected this kind of pond for them. You will just write it there, Tiger Temple in Bangkok, and you will get many videos, right?
Okay.
And this is very important for you to see, because you will actually understand a beautiful bonding between humans and wild animals. Yes, some people even in fact say that the snakes are harmful. But it's my personal experience that I never found snakes to be that harmful until or unless we, the humans, disturb them. Right? Yes, we have to be conscious. We have to be very careful. They can be, because after all, they are animals. They cannot speak and express like us. But they also have the emotions that the humans have. And whenever given the chance, they also share those emotions with the humans. Right? So the bond of love is one such kind of story that we will read. So that we will take up later. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take care. Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening.